Hey, to clone apps on the Realme 12 5G, you have to open the settings, then you'll have to scroll down and move into the apps. Now all you have to do is just select App Cloner, and first you have to click Agree and Continue. And as you can see right here, you can find all apps that actually support this function. So if I want to copy, for example, the Netflix application, I have to click here, then tap to Create App Clone. And this actually allows us to use two apps at the same time and use the different accounts. So that's very useful. When you do this, we can also rename this cloned application if you want. And we can also check when using quick functions. We can open the original or always ask. So now we can find first Netflix application, and the second one should be actually appears in the app drawer, I believe. Yes, it's right here. So as you can see, we can actually clone, for example, the Netflix application. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.